everyone. Welcome back to our English learning series. I'm Sarah, and today we are diving into the heart of every home, the kitchen. Have you ever wanted to follow a recipe in English but got confused between a pot and a pan? Or maybe you didn't know the name of that specific tool in your drawer? Well, don't worry. Today I'm joined by my friends Emma and Chloe, and together we're going to walk you through every single corner of the kitchen. Okay, Emma, let's start with the basics. Every American kitchen revolves around these big machines. First, we have the refrigerator.
Wait, is it okay if I just call it a fridge? That's what I usually hear.
Actually, yes! In the US, almost everyone says fridge because it's shorter. But remember, the top or bottom compartment that keeps things frozen is the freezer.
Got it. Fridge for the milk, freezer for the ice cream. Simple enough. Now, what about this big cooking station? Ah, burners. I used to call them fire circles. And the big box underneath is the oven, right? For baking cookies.
This entire unit is often called the range. The top part where you boil water or fry eggs is the stovetop. You'll see these round parts here. Those are the burners.
That makes sense. Oh, and I see the dishwasher over there. Does every house in the States have one?
Most do. It saves a lot of time. You just load the dirty dishes, add detergent, and let it run. It's a lifesaver. Exactly. You bake or roast in the oven, and right above it, most US homes have a microwave for heating up leftovers quickly. Hey Chloe, I see you're already hanging out with my favorite gadgets. What are you looking at?
Hey Sarah! Yeah, I was just admiring this machine. It looks so high-tech. Is this a grill or something?
Oh, that's my air fryer. Honestly, it's a game changer. I use it for everything, from frozen fries to roasted veggies.
An air fryer! I've heard so much about these. They're super popular in the States right now, right?
Exactly! And since we're talking about basics, don't forget the toaster right next to it. It's a classic American
For
breakfast
sure.
essential.
I can't live without my morning toast. But wait, what's this sleek-looking jug? Is it an electric kettle?
I do. It's tucked right here behind the coffee maker. Most Americans love their coffee, but I still need my hot tea in the afternoon.
Nice! A coffee maker and a kettle. You've got the whole setup. This kitchen is a beginner's dream for learning vocabulary.
All right, learners, now let's talk about the most used items in any US kitchen. Think of these as your hands while cooking. Let's start with your cutlery, the set we use to eat. First is the knife. This is your most essential tool for chopping, slicing, and dicing vegetables or meat. Pro tip: in the US, we use different sizes, a chef's knife for heavy chopping and a paring knife for small, delicate work. Then we have the fork, which you use for eating or holding food while you cut it. And of course, the spoon used for stirring, mixing, or enjoying a bowl of soup. Now, let's look at the utensils, the tools we use to prepare the food. Have you ever wondered what this flat tool is? That's a spatula, perfect for flipping pancakes or burgers in a pan. If you're cooking something delicate like a fish, look for a thin spatula. Next, look at this wire tool. That's a whisk. We use it for beating eggs or mixing ingredients until they are nice and smooth. And if you're serving a big pot of soup, you'll reach for a ladle. It's the deep, round spoon. Fun fact, You can also use a ladle to serve punch at parties. For grilling or turning meat, we use tongs. They act like a grabber for your food. They keep your hands safe from the heat. And finally, the peeler. This sharp little tool is essential for removing the skin from vegetables like potatoes or carrots. A common mistake. Many beginners try to use a knife to peel, but a peeler is much faster and safer. Now, let's practice. If you're holding something and don't know the name, just ask yourself, what does this tool do? Does it flip? It's a spatula. Does it whisk? It's a whisk. Does it scrape? It's a peeler. Remember, in the US, we use the word cutlery for the eating set, and the prep tools are called utensils. Understanding the difference makes you sound like a local. Keep practicing these, and you'll be a kitchen pro in no time. Don't just watch, go into your own kitchen today and name every tool you see